everybody, welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. We are continuing our week of keto chicken dishes. And today I have made a fabulous chicken chaffle club sandwich. It has sliced chicken breast, bacon, cheese, lettuce, tomato, all of the good stuff that you want in a fabulous sandwich. If you've been on keto and you've been missing sandwiches, this one is sure to please. You will not be disappointed. I can't wait for you to see it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button right below right there. Leave me a comment and let me know how much you're liking these videos. All right, so I've got another great one for you, and here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is begin making my chaffles. So I'm going to start out with 2 egg whites. Now your traditional chaffle is made with the egg entirely. I do not like the eggy taste that are in chaffles, so I have opted to use a egg white recipe, and I'm going to put the link to Seriously Keto down at the bottom. I got this recipe from his YouTube channel. He created a chaffle that removes the taste of the egg. It's not so eggy tasting, which I do not like. So I'll put that link in the description box below. So I'm starting out with 2 egg whites. To our egg whites, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk, 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast, 3 to 4 drops of liquid stevia, and a pinch of salt. 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. All right, we will mix that together. You'll be able to make 1 complete sandwich with this chaffle batter. It makes 2 chaffles total. All right, so it's all mixed together, and we are going to put it into our little waffle maker here. First things first, we're going to spray our waffle iron down with a non-stick cooking spray. And then we'll put half of our chaffle mixture onto our waffle iron. I like to get about half. Okay, and let's close that up. While our chaffles are cooking, let's go on and slice up our veggies. So we're gonna have some beautiful sliced tomatoes on our sandwich. Delicious red onion. Chaffle number 1 is ready. Look at that. Doesn't look amazing? Oh, that's great. So now let's put chaffle number 2 on. So we'll go ahead and get that one started. All right, our second chaffle is ready. Let's remove it from the waffle iron. Oh, beautiful. This is so exciting. So for today's Chicken Club, I'm going to be using Boar's Head Golden Classic Chicken Deli Slices. I'm gonna warm those up in my toaster so that they'll be nice and warm for our sandwich. Oh, these smell so good. Now know that you do not have to warm up your sandwich, warm up your chicken slices if you want. I'm gonna taste this. It is already done, of course. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. But I like my sandwiches, I'd like for mine to be a warm sandwich. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm mine up here. And I like to get my deli slices sliced really thin. So I'm gonna pop this in the toaster for just a couple of minutes so that it can get warm. While my chicken is heating through, it's time to make the Sriracha Mayo spread. So I began with 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now I'm not one who typically likes mayo, but I love this Sriracha Spread because it doesn't taste like mayo. Then we'll use 3 tablespoons of Sriracha chili sauce, 1 clove of finely minced garlic, and juice from half of a lemon. We'll add salt to taste and a little bit of pepper. Now let's mix that all together. That's it. That's all we need for this Sriracha sauce. Okay, everybody, everything is ready, and now it's time to put our sandwich together. So first, I'm gonna begin by getting some of this Sriracha Mayo spread, and I'm gonna put that on top piece and on the bottom piece. This stuff is so good. And the little pockets here in our chaffle are perfect for holding all of that flavor in. Okay, so we've got that down. Now let's put down our chicken slices. Oh, and this is really hot. Very, very hot. But it smells so good. I'm just gonna taste that piece right there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's yummy and juicy. All right, we're gonna add our lettuce. I have some beautiful red leaf lettuce here. Isn't that pretty? A few slices of tomato. Just like that. Put a few slices of red onion on here. Ooh. I'm so happy. And then we have our crispy, smoky bacon. Look at that. Oh my, my, my. Do you see this? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Then we're gonna top it just like that. Wow. Does that not look so amazing? You guys, I am so happy. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot something. I knew something was missing. I forgot the cheese. I forgot the cheese. And what I have here is extra sharp cheddar cheese. I love the Sargento brand of the extra sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna put that right on top there. I would like for that to have been melted, but since I forgot it, it's gonna still be good. All right, there we go. There, now our chicken Chaffle Club Sandwich is complete. All right, now I'm gonna cut this open and get ready to take a bite. Let's cut this bad boy open. Cut this bad boy in half. Look at that. Uh-oh, his bacon fell. Yummy. All right, let's taste. Okay, everybody, I've got my Chicken Chaffle Club Sandwich here with our spicy Sriracha Mayo, smoky bacon, golden boar's head sliced chicken. So let's dig in. This is so good. This is amazingly good. I decided I'm gonna get me a delicious crispy pickle to go with this sandwich. Okay. That's what else it needs. Let me give me another bite. This sauce is so amazing. The spiciness from the Sriracha Mayo, the smokiness from the bacon, the juicy tomato, and this chaffle bread. This chaffle. All good things. All good things. You all, you don't have to miss eating sandwiches on keto. You don't have to miss the bread on keto. This right here are amazing. Chaffles are amazing substitutes. The chicken on this boar's head sliced deli chicken is so delicious. It's, oh my God. I have no words. No words. I'm not kidding you all when I tell you this is probably one of the best sandwiches I have ever had. Diet or not, this Chicken Chaffle Club Sandwich is absolutely one of the best sandwiches I have ever had. I'm not kidding. This is delicious. Thank you guys again for joining me today. This week of chicken keto dishes has been so fun. We've got one more day, and tomorrow, well, I'm just gonna let you see what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So come back tomorrow. I'm gonna have another chicken keto recipe for you, and I'm gonna also announce the new theme for next week. So stick around, keep nosying around my channel. I want you to look at all of the other videos I've done previously. And remember to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you're liking these videos. I want to keep doing them for you. And if you're enjoying them, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, you better hit that subscribe button. What are you guys waiting on? Subscribe. Thanks for joining me. It is always a pleasure. Until next time, which will be tomorrow, I'll see you right here on Sincerely Legenia. Have a blessed and prosperous day. Bye.